The elephant's dream. We all seek adventure, new things we have not tried. My elephant pipe dream is to learn to scuba dive. I have a built-in snorkel, I've been using it since birth, and I am a strong swimmer, despite my natural girth. I'd like to wear a mask and fins and dive into the sea. Think of the turtles, dolphins, whales, and fish I would see. Breathing slowly from my tank, sending up the bubbles. Deep under the ocean, forgetting all my troubles. I think it's time I cross scuba off my bucket list. Now where can an elephant go to find fins and a mask that fit?